Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing Forex insider trading strategy. All right. So the term insider trading actually refers to the trading based on confidential information that is not publicly available. So in regulated financial markets, insider trading is illegal. All right. In regulated financial markets, insider trading is actually illegal. I'm going to put that here. Okay. So in the Forex market, retail traders typically do not have access to insider information. So instead, discussions around Forex insider strategies often refer to analyzing how large institutions or major market participants may influence price movement. Now, institutional traders such as banks, hedge funds, and financial institutions often manage very large positions in the currency market. So, because of their size, their trading activity can influence liquidity and short term price movement. Retail traders sometimes study price behavior, liquidity zones, and order flow concepts to better understand how large participants might interact with the market. Okay? However, it is important to distinguish between studying institutional behavior and actual insider trading. Understanding how different participants operate within the market can provide broader context for analyzing price movement. So if you found any value in this video, if you learned something new, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.